Hi folks, this is Scott Jewell from Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'd like to take you on a quick tour of our new KZ Escape. This is the 181 RD model. This is a new model for 2020. So we're gonna just take a look on the outside here. You're gonna see that you got a nice smooth fiberglass exterior, nice strong walls with foam core insulation. You have power awning, covers the door. You got LED lights on it. You've also got outside speakers from the radio on the inside. And these do come standard with the stabilizer jacks. It comes with aluminum wheels standard. They do have the new Moride step. So that's a lot nicer step than the old design. We do, at our dealership, we do the spare tire included. Nice grab handle up there. It's got the new leash latch, and that is for your dog. It also has a bottle opener actually built right into it also, which is pretty cool. So, tinted windows, just a real nice unit. So we're gonna take a look inside. Okay, on the inside of the Escape, the first thing I want to show you guys is all the windows in the back. You've got 3 large windows. We have the shades down here so you can see the night shades. They do put 2 110 outlets on the back wall there, so you can plug in your phones and everything you need right there. The table does drop down, and so that booth area back there makes into a bed where you could sleep 2 adults on it. Lots of seating there. That table's freestanding, so you can kind of move it around and however you want to fit in the dinette. And of course, then you've got cabinets up above. They're nice deep cabinets for a lot of storage. So nice seating area back there. So up above in the entertainment area, you can see you've got a really large cabinet there. It's super deep. It's probably about 22 inches deep. There's a lot of storage up above. On the right there, you've got your Bluetooth radio. TV sits on the shelf below, so this is all wired. It has a digital antenna on it. And more storage down below. You got 2 cabinet doors there with, again, really deep storage. And then over to the side there is where you have your microwave. Now, cool thing about that is it actually is a convection microwave. So you can microwave things like normal, or you can actually bake in there, cook a pizza, it'll brown the crust, everything. So that's really cool. So what that does for you is that just gives you more room in the kitchen, because now you do not have to have an oven taking up storage. So you've got your 2-burner cooktop there. You got plenty of storage down below, and then they do provide you with a new, bigger stainless steel sink. That has a nice deep sink. And then the countertop also is a thermofoil countertop, which means you've got no rubber insert molding, no press board. It's actually lighter, but it's impervious to water. And then it's got a really nice deep counter too, so it gives you some space to do work. And that's really great on a unit this small. And then also to the right there, you do have your 6 cubic foot refrigerator, and that's, again, for a unit this size, a very large fridge and freezer. So of course you've got your toilet in the bathroom here, and that's a foot flush, not hand, so you don't have to bend over to flush the toilet. You do have your shower, plenty of room in there. I am 6'1" and can stand up in there no problem. And they do give you a tub surround. A lot of trailers just have the wallboard there, which I have never understood, but this has the surround, and then a shower curtain is provided. Okay, so up in the front bedroom area here, you have your queen size bed. So it is a queen width, it's not a double width, so that's another benefit in the Escape here. And again, lots of windows up in the front. Your side windows open for ventilation. There's a lot of brands out there that are just a pane of glass, but these actually have screens in them. And of course, one of them is going to be a fire escape. And then you've got your LED reading light up above. They do give you a 110 outlet on the one side of the bed, and then you actually have USB ports on the other side of the bed for your phones. And they give you nice storage up above. A lot of brands will cut corners and they'll just put a shelf up there, but the Escape brand, they'll actually put a cabinet up there. And one other thing to note about the unit is it does have a roof air conditioner. It's not a cheap side window air conditioner from Walmart. This is actually a Thru RV air conditioner, so you would never ever have a problem keeping cool in here, even if you went to Arizona in July. So you'd be all set. One other feature about this unit is I like to tout how light it is. It is only 3,260 pounds, so you can tow this with most mid-sized SUVs. You could actually do it with a minivan. And the overall length of the bumper and the tongue is about 22 feet long. The box is about 18, but with the bumper and the tongue, you've got to add about 4 feet. But really, really easy to tow. Okay, folks, well, I appreciate you guys watching my video on the 181 RD Escape. If you guys have any questions, you can call me at 616-965-9624. You can text that number also, or you can email me at scott@veurinksrv.com. Again, thanks for watching.